What's up? It's my last night in Newfoundland. So I went out with my cousin Jill, and we had the time of our lives. Jill and her boyfriend Ray. We went out down a little back road, about 25 kilometers out. I can't even begin to tell you about the images I got tonight. You're just going to have to wait and see. And folks, when you see it, mine's going to be blown. But anyhow, it's 10 to midnight. I haven't started packing yet, and I leave at noon tomorrow to head for the airport. My cousin Jill's taking me. So you say, why aren't you packing? Or why are you going to bed and getting up early and packing? Well, the Milky Way is out again. So, gotta play. I don't get to pick when Mother Nature decides to give me a show. So, I am setting up my Canon R5 Mark II with my Sirius, I still don't know how to properly say that, gimbal, and my lens coat ground pod. So, and I'm going to use my newer external battery. It just gives me a little extra, well, not a little extra, it gives me a lot of extra time, because I'm leaving the camera out for about 5-6 hours. I should have did this. Anybody else have a battery compartment issue with Canon? It's not very easy to get it open, and I don't know why. But there we go. So I'm going to set this up on a little table, and we're going to do a time lapse again of the Milky Way, because it's fun. It's fun. But I'm trying to get everything set up. So anyways, these images that are coming, I'm not even going to tell you what they're of. They're of an animal, and let's just say animal, sunset, 10 feet away. Crazy. Anyhow, I am going to get this all set up, and I was contemplating if I was going to pack some stuff tonight, but is that still up? Left that up. No wonder there's a black fly or two. I'm getting this all set up in the car, and the reason is I left the back gate open, or back door open, because black flies have been crazy tonight. So the nice thing is black flies don't really, I don't know about you, but black flies don't really bite me. They just buzz around my head. And the mosquitoes, they'll get me every now and then, but like, I don't know if you can see it here, but that little dot, I don't know if that's a black fly bite or if that's a mosquito bite, but I've only had 2 bites in my entire 17 or 18 days here home. And the flies, everybody here has said that this is, in a decade or more, the worst that the nippers and the black flies have been. So, yeah. I'm going to get this all set up. And I haven't done much posting of photos because when I'm on an expedition, when I'm out shooting, it's just too much. If you've seen my cousin's car, which shout out to Jilly Bean, thank you so much for the use of your car. I had no expectation or anticipation of having the blessing of having a vehicle to fart around in, but this car has been jam-packed with my gear for the last 2.5 weeks. So I'm going to go set this up, and then I'm going to probably hit the hay. My aunt gets up, I think, 6 o'clock in the morning, so she's going to wake me up because I'm going to have to say goodbye to her before she goes to work. And then I got to cut the grass for my uncle. I want to do that before I leave for him. And change the trail cam to a better position. Stay tuned for the trail cams. I've got 2 trail cams here now in Newfoundland. I got 5 on Stag Island. And major shout out to Browning Trail Cams for partnering with me on these projects. And looking forward to seeing... Sorry, guys. Looking forward to seeing what we come up with and go from there. But anyways, yeah, I haven't done a lot of editing. I don't have time to edit. I've only downloaded once since I've been here. It's just go every day. And when I'm not shooting, I'm seeing family that I haven't seen in years, like my cousin Jill. First time seeing her since we figure early 2000s, probably 2002-ish, somewhere in that range. And a few aunts and uncles, and just been an incredible trip. Just an incredible trip. And I'm just so grateful to my wife and my kids for supporting me and coming, and for Tara for joining me for a week here. We've had a crazy couple of years, and we got a crazy few years coming up, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I think I'm just babbling on now. So anyhow, I want to just come on, and something I'm trying to do now is just put out videos like this. I don't really... If you're coming to look for production, and I brought my DJI mic too, because I do want to do better with the sound quality that I'm putting into my videos. But I haven't used them once. 3 times too. I'm just going with the flow. If I've got the time and I've got the mics handy and ready, I'm going to use them. But if not, like even this right here, I came out and I was setting up my stuff, and I'm like, I never really do videos about my ground pod and my setup and whatnot, so I might as well do a video about that. And now we're 8 minutes and 34 seconds of me babbling. So I hope you find something of interest in here, whether it's the gear that I use, the passion that I have for Newfoundland, teeny little teasers that I've interwoven in through here, about what's coming from both images and video. And yeah, signing off, not for the last time from Newfoundland, but signing off for tonight. Cheers, everybody. Follow your dreams, chase them, never give up. Never give up. I don't know if you can see it there. Never give up. Believe in yourself. That's my message. Cheers, everybody.